In my classroom, students, other staff and I all participate in file sharing. Whether the school is collaborating on sensitive information like workbooks and exams, or whether students are sharing simple information like lesson notes. As an integral part of Office 365, OneDrive for Business is the smoothest way for us to share files in a secure, institutionally controlled environment. OneDrive is an online file folder in the cloud where we can store, share, and organise files. It cuts out the back and forth and juggling of multiple iterations of the same document. With OneDrive, I keep confidential documents private and share those files I want my students or department members to view or edit. I control the extent of access based on the permissions I assign. And, most appealing, I can access my OneDrive folder from any device as long as I'm connected to the internet. No school network or domain is required. It's all here in Office 365. The options for what I can do using OneDrive in my classroom are endless. To begin, I use OneDrive to share important files with my students throughout the term. Uploaded in a folder that all of my students have viewing access to, I place the syllabus, notes from each lesson in OneNote, and assignments for the entire term so that students can anticipate their workload and plan ahead. Students love the option to access this information at any time and from anywhere. Students not only see their assignment information on any device, including smartphones, tablets, and PCs, they can also create documents right from OneDrive. For example, I have them create their homework from OneDrive so their classwork will be in a single location. Changes are saved automatically and they can change and edit their work until the assignment due date. Once students finish their assignments, I use OneDrive for easy collection. Every student saves or uploads the completed assignment by its due date into the appropriate folder. When uploaded, the assignment is automatically time-stamped. And once the homework due date arrives, I stop sharing the folder with each student to ensure that assignments are turned in on time. Now, only my department and I have access to those assignments that have been submitted. We can mark assignments directly within the environment using Word Online or, alternatively, open them with Microsoft Word. In both cases, changes will automatically sync with OneDrive. Often, we mark exam papers as a department to ensure that the marking is fair. If any of us runs into issues with specific papers, we can work together on marking them by co-authoring corrections in real time. We always mark the first few papers together to lay a framework for the marking scale and to ensure our criteria is consistent. Once the marking of assignments is complete, I have a separate folder I share with the biology department, where all teachers can insert marks into an Excel spreadsheet. In this folder, I also share grading rubrics and other documents that help us do our jobs more consistently and effectively. If I want to access, edit, and mark student assignments or lesson outlines offline, I can easily connect my OneDrive to File Explorer and make my files available offline. Then, when I reconnect to the internet, my edits will automatically sync between those saved on my computer and those in the cloud, so that I constantly have access to the most updated version of every document. Using OneDrive in Office 365 has improved the way my classroom operates. My tech-savvy students appreciate the ease of access to all lesson information and shared notes taken in OneNote, not to mention the collaboration OneDrive provides for group projects and documents. I love the efficiency of it all and the confidence I have that everyone has access to the resources they need to succeed in my classroom.